Howdy folks, George Shively with you here. We are on a 2020 brand new boat, Grady White Adventure 208. Doing a fair amount of customization on this boat. Just want to drop in briefly here and show you some of the things we're doing. Custom panels have been made for the top and the bottom. This used to be a glove box, which really was not a great use of this space given that the helm is small. So we went ahead and had a custom panel made for that area. And Garmin's going to go there, actually a pretty large Garmin, and fish hawk. Fish hawks aren't designed to be flush mounted, but we did it. It turned out great, and it's going to look real nice as opposed to having a bracket or something up here with a wire coming out of this side. That never looks great. Inside here we have our ICOM black box VHF radio, and we went with that because we don't have a lot of room at the helm. We basically had room here just for the full function mic, command mic, and because of all the gear that we have in this area here, we didn't have room for a traditional VHF radio, so we went with the black box, which worked very well in this situation. You'll see here that that's our bus bar for our NEMA NEMA 183. VHF radio does not accept NEMA 2000, so we had to go NEMA 183 here, but that'll be fine. And the pilot, of course, Fruno autopilot, simply hands down best. I can install it, sea trial it, show you how to use it, and you're gone. And it's great. Just a great pilot. Can't beat it. And that also takes NEMA 183, so we're good. What else? VHF radio, command mic, as I said here. We relocated the little USB connection that comes standard on the boat. That used to be taking up valuable real estate right here. Well, we didn't have room for that, so we had to relocate that down to that area. And what we're going to have up here is the autopilot, the Yamaha display, comes with the boat obviously for the engine, and then we're going to have a Felmarine MOB Plus wireless MOB device right there. Real nice. So that way you don't have to be tethered to the boat. You fall in the water, it senses water, engine immediately turns off, so you can't beat that. What we've also done too at the owner's request is put in a couple connections here for downriggers. You'll see it right there. There's one on the starboard side and one on the port side. We also did the wiring, of course, for that in the battery box area. You'll notice there are two 30 amp breakers, which is the spec for these. Actually pull a fair amount of current, and those are wired through the battery switch to those breakers, not to the batteries. Nothing, repeat, nothing gets connected directly to the batteries with the exception of bilge pumps. That's it. That way you don't have devices like downriggers which can pull current, even a very small amount, even when they're turned off, and you come to your boat and batteries are dead. Yeah, that's no fun. Right down here is the autopilot pump. We had to put in an additional reservoir here for the pump because it just made more sense than running a balance line all the way back up to the helm. Seastar standard swaged cables coming in and out, going over to the hydraulic cylinder. That's about it for the moment. We are obviously still working here, so we'll drop back here and show you how things are progressing. Stand by, please. Howdy folks, George Shively back with you here on the 2020 20-foot Grady White. We've got the panels in place here, getting ready to put a little caulk behind those. Just make the interior there a little bit more resistant to water getting in. There is a drain that you can see right there, but I don't want too much water getting in there, obviously. As I said, custom panels. We've got the fish hawk flush mounted, which again is not something they even provide for. The Garmin, which is a perfect fit. It really maximizes the amount of space that you've got in the lower part of the helm once you remove the clear glass that the boat comes with, because as I said, that area in there was designed as a glove box. Well, we'd rather have other places to put our gloves and more places for electronics. So anyway, just kind of want to give you a quick look at it. We have to attach some things, put some things back together, but there's your man overboard, electronic man overboard, your Yamaha gauges, and of course your pilot. So stand by with us. Thanks for watching. Okay folks, George Shively here, back with you, give you a final look here on the 2000 20-foot Grady White. That's what the helm looks like. We'll get a little closer here, so hopefully we can get a little bit better lighting situation. As I said before, custom-made panels, Fishhawk there on the right side, your Garmin Ultra Echo map on the left, and then up top here you've got the Furuno autopilot. Again, can't say enough about it. Fantastic autopilot, just works. Your Yamaha engine gauge, digital engine gauge, and then your Felmarine wireless MOP, which is real nice. Can't say enough about that. It means that you don't have to stay tethered to this little guy right there, so you can be walking around your boat doing whatever you need to do, and if you fall in the water, bam, the engine dies. So it really gives you the freedom to be around the boat and you know, not have to worry about something bad happening. And down below is the ICOM command mic for the 400 black box radio. Again, as you can see here, there was just, you know, short of surface mounting it, which is what we wanted to avoid, there was just no place to put it. So we went with a black box and got all the functionality of a full function radio, but just in a handset. So as always, George Shively at South Shore Marine Electronics. If you wish to get in touch with us, you may call us at 216-407-6553 or email at southshoremaриneelectronics@oh.rr.com. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.